Meet Cloven, the all-in-one CRM built for Canadian financial advisors who want to work smarter and grow faster.
With everything in one spot and the ease of access to information, it's really been an integral part of our push to get bigger and to get better.
Cloven helps you close more deals, onboard clients faster, service clients smarter, and scale your business like a pro.
The way that I would say our business has changed is now we have more insights. I'm able to dive into the details of our business, our book, and dissect it in a way that makes me understand where our business is coming from, where we should strategically double down, and where it doesn't make sense for us to continue to pursue.
One login, more than 50 digital tools so you can focus on what really matters, your clients, and your bottom line.
We've been in this industry, financial services, for almost a decade. We're a Canadian team focused on Canadian advisors. When you have a question or you're worried about your system, you can call someone who's focused on enhancing the product for Canadians.
What if your CRM actually helped you grow? Cloven, work smarter, grow faster. Take Cloven for a test drive today. No commitment, just results.